Now CGL paper number 19. Now in this paper number 19, first one 4 out of the following means, and 3 out of the following 4, it comes in which category? Odd man out. Now odd man out, tell me what is your answer in this odd man out? What is the value of y? G is 7, R is 18. 7 and 18. 7 plus 18 is how much? 25th letter is y. Sum of the first and the third letters equals to the middle letter. H is how much? 8. M is 13. 8 plus 13, 21st letter is U. Now here L is how much? 12. B is 2. 12 plus 2, 14th letter is N. And similarly here E is 5. J is 10. 5 plus 10, 15th letter must be O. Now in the place of O, he has given T, and that is the odd one, except choice 4. And in the remaining choices, sum of the first and the third letters equals to the middle letter. Then coming to question number 2. Now in the second one, some of the rabbits are white. Some rabbits are white. Now these are the rabbits that are, all rabbits are white. Now these are the rabbits which are white, all these rabbits are white. And some black are rabbits. Now these are the black that are rabbits. All white are rabbits, that is false. Some black are not white. As of now, true. Ekka true em cheppandi? Now these are the black which are not white is true. To make this one false, alternate diagram, then all black must be white. All black must be white. Tell me whether I can able to write black like this or not. By doing so, alternate diagram false. Then all white are rabbit. Is it true? Now also it is false. Then what is your answer? Neither one, not two. Neither one, not two. Choice 2, question number 2. Clear? Then coming to question number 3. My third one, Japan. W and U minus 2, minus 2, U minus 2, Q, O, M minus 2, K. Q and K, choice 3, question number 3. Difference between the letters, two letters are subtracted. Then fourth one. My fourth one, Jesera, 37 and 50. As 37 can be written as 6 squared plus 1. And 50 can be written as 7 squared plus 1. 82, 9 squared plus 1. 101, 10 squared plus 1. And in the same way, 26. 26, 5 squared plus 1, isn't it? Now here it is 6 squared plus 2. Now here 10, 3 squared plus 1 and 4 squared plus 1. Except choice 3. The remaining are of the same format. What is the format here? N squared plus 1. Done with this? And question number 5. Now in this fifth one, the code given to the words. The code given to the word skipping, SKIPPING. The code given to the word skipping is RLHQ. RLHQ O RLHQ OJMH. Then tell me what is the logic here? S and R minus 1, K and L plus 1, I and H minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus. Then now you need to check out whether the question is about coding or decoding. If it is about coding, same pattern should be followed. Or if it is about decoding, reverse pattern should be followed. Ma appudu decoding question ela untundi. Which is coded as? If it is given, then you need to go for decoding. Now here the question is about written means the same code. Then what is the code to the word shortage? SHORTAGE. Now in this S minus 1, H plus 1, R, H plus 1 is A, O minus 1, N, R plus 1 S, T minus 1 S, A plus 1 B, G minus 1 F, and E plus 1 F. Then what is your answer? RN, RIN, SS, BFF, choice 1. Then sixth one, vertebrate is related to monkey. Then what do you mean by this one, vertebrate? Now the animals that have a spine, they are called vertebrates. And invertebrate means which do not have spine. And what is that one which do not have spine? Starfish. And in a conference hall, the number of girls is 1/3 of the number of boys. Now boys and girls. If boys are X, girls will be X by 3. 1/3 of the boys. Then after lunch, 10 boys left the conference. As usual, 10 boys left the conference and 6 girls were added. Now 6 girls were added to the existing quantity, that is X by 3. Then they are equal or not. That means X minus 10 equals to X by 3 plus 6. That is 3x minus 30 equals to how much? X plus 18. Then x will come to this side 2x and 30 will go to that side 18 and 2x equals to 48 and 2x equals to 48, x equals to how much? 24. And x is 24. Now the question is about what? How many people were present? X is 24 and x by 3 is how much? 24 by 3, 8. 24 plus 8, 32 altogether choice 2. Seventh one it is choice 2. Then coming to question number 8. Now in this word, capital CAPITAL. CAPITAL and the code is OZGK. OZGKRC and E. And in the same way, what is the code to the word formula? FORMULA. And what is the code to the word formula here? Then C and E. Now IJK is as it is, another IJK. Then C plus 2 is what? E, written in the reverse. A plus 2 is C, written from the reverse. P plus 2 is R, written from the reverse. The first four, they were written in the reverse order. And similarly plus 2, F plus 2, G. And O plus 2, O plus 2, O plus 2 is Q. And R plus 2 is T. FOR and OZGK RC opposite. Now C and E. As of now చూద్దాం. I and K plus 2 ఏ కదా? And F plus 2 is H. Now F plus 2 is what? H. Then and M plus 2 O. సరిపోయిందా? M plus 2 is 1. Then for the remaining. Now C and next one T. My T का opposite letter G, A का opposite letter Z, L का opposite O. Hence for L, its opposite. Hence for A, its opposite is Z. L, its opposite letter is O. R, its opposite letter is I. Hence ZO, IO. U. And U's opposite letter is F. And U's opposite letter is what? F. Hence ZO, FO, TQH. ZO, FO, TQH, choice 3. First three letters opposite pairs. And sorry, first four letters plus 2 written in the reverse, and for the last three letters, they're opposite pairs. Sarpenda? Then ninth one. Now in this question number 9, chesar evarena? Yes, what is the logic? Sum other is 1 plus 3, 4 plus 7, 11 plus 2, 13. Now here also sum other digits in this one is 13. Now in this one, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 5, 16. Among the given choices, and sum of the digits must be 16. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 2, 16. Choice 1, question number 9. Then 10th one. 10th letter series. STUVW. First letter plus 1. Second letter. OPQRSTUVW. Second letter plus 2. Third letter. W plus 3, Z plus 3, C plus 3, F plus 3, I. WWI choice 2, question number 10. 10th one, it is choice 2. Then 11 to 15. Now 11th one onwards. Now coming to 11th one, now if which two should be interchanged? Plus and into interchange here, plus and into. Now plus and into, if you are interchange, this is plus and this will be into. Then 24 divided by 3, 8 minus 6, plus 6 into 13. 13 into 6, value is more than 31. Hence choice 1 is ruled out. Second, minus and into. Now this is into and this is a minus. Then now 24 divided by 3 is how much? 8. 8 into 6 is 48. 48 again you are adding 13. It will be more than 31. That is again ruled out. Choice 3. Division and into. Now this is into and division. Now 6 divided by 6 is 1. 24 into 3 is 72. Minus 1, 71 plus 13, 84. That's again ruled out. Then fourth one, plus and minus. Now this is minus, and where is this plus? This is plus. Then 24 divided by 3, that is 8, plus 6 into 8 is 6 is 36. 36 plus 8 is how much? 44. Minus how much? Minus 13. Minus 13 is how much? 31. Choice for question number 11. Then 12th one, 98 and 49. I mean, let us go up 98 98 into 1 by 2, isn't it? Into half. Can be written as how much? 49. 49 plus 5 is 54. Into 0.5 plus 5. And 54 into half, 27. 27 plus 5, 32. 32 into half, 16. What is your answer? Choice 3, 12th one. Saripinda? Into half plus 5. Into half plus 5. Then 13th one. Now in this question number 13. 19, 4, 18. 19 into 4, 76. Plus 4, 80. 12 into 6, 72. Plus 6, 78. 15 into 9, 135. Plus 9, 144. 144, choice 2, 13th one. And 14. And which of the following statement is correct? First one, m at the rate of. If you check out here, in all the cases we are moving from A to B. M at the rate of stands for m is the brother of n. M is the brother of n. N percentage. N is the son of O. M is the brother of n and n is the son of O. And now these two persons are the sons of O. O dollar P. O is the husband of P. O and P are married couple. And P and. P and means P is the mother of O. Now P is the mother of Q, isn't it? And Q is the mother of R. R at the rate of. R is the brother of S. R is the brother of S. And S plus T. And S is the daughter of T. As of now, S is the daughter of Q. S is the daughter of T as well. Q and T are married couple. Then, which of the following is correct? O is the father of T. That is false. Next one. And P is the mother-in-law of Q. That is false. And M and T are siblings. That is false. S is the niece of N. N's sister's daughter. Sister's daughter is niece. Choice for question number 14. Then 15th one. A denotes addition. And A denotes addition. This is 4 plus 1. This is A. And this is again A. A stands for addition. And B stands for multiplication. Now this is multiplication, that is B. And C stands for subtraction. Now this is subtraction, this is subtraction. Finally, D stands for division. And D stands for what? Division. Now in this case, D stands for division. And 189 divided by 9, it is 21. Minus 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. Plus 16 divided by 8, 2. Minus 4 plus 3 into 7, 21. And first we need to give the priority for bracket. Then brackets 29 plus 2, 23 plus 21. 42 plus 2, 44. 44 minus 9, 35, choice 1. Saripinda? The next one, 16th one. Now in this 16, in a set 10, which of the following is the code for I ate grapes? Now 954. Now in this one 954 735. Now is there any word that is common? No word is common. As no word is common here, then coriander. Now in this how many letters are there? 9. Gross 5. This is 4. That means the code is nothing but the number of letters in each of the words. And in the same way, I ate. I is 1, 8 is 3, grapes is 6. 1, 3, 6 choice to question number 16. Then 17th one. Now in this 17, at the rate of and so on, and this is addition, and dollar stands for division, and percentage stands for multiplication, and a hash stands for, my hash is subtraction. Then 196 divided by 14 is how much? 14. Now 32 plus 14, 46. And 46 into how much? And 13, 14 into 7. Then minus 16. 14 into 7, 98. 98 plus 32, 130. 130 minus 16, 114, choice 4. 17th one, choice 4. 18, mosquito and swarm. And now group of mosquitoes, okay, flying together is called a swarm. Swarm of mosquitoes. And in the same way. And next one, Japan. What is your answer in this case? And pride. And pride of what? Pride of lions. isn't it? Cat and clouder. Group of cats is called it as clouder, isn't it? And snakes troop, elephants school. And school the question Japanese fish and school of fishes. And troop of elephants. Elephant troop antam. No, snakes in మనం troop అంటామా కాదు కదా. Elephants in school అంటామా కాదు కదా. Now these three choices were ruled out. Now we were left with this. Done? Then 19th one. Now in this 19, Sindhu is walking towards the direction of sun in the evening. Evening means direction of sun towards west. Now this is the starting point of Sindhu. And traveling towards west. After traveling 25, she took a right turn and covered a distance of 15. Now after walking towards east direction, she walked for another 35 kilometers. Now this is 25 and this is 10. Now A is the starting point, B is the final. Which direction is she now with respect to her starting point? Now, in order to reach this point, now from A, north and east to northeast. Northeast, that is choice 3, question number 19. Then, coming to 20th. Now in this 20, there are some 6 friends. Now they are seated in a row facing towards north. All the persons north. No one is sitting to the right of Jyoti, and so Jyoti must be at the right extreme. And Ravi is standing third to the right of Harsha. From Harsha, Ravi is third to the right of Harsha. Harsha is standing to the immediate left of Smita. And these 5 persons must be together, isn't it? And Harsha is to the immediate left of whom? Smita. Harsha is to the immediate left of Smita. Meghna is standing third to the left of Varun. If Varun is here, 1, 2, 3, Meghna will be here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, all these 5 persons were here. M, H, S, V, R. Then in this case, and who is standing to the immediate left of Jyoti? That is R. Ravi, choice 1, question number 20. Then 21st, we need to find out the embedded figure into this. Now, what is the embedded figure here? Majapan. Choice 2. Choice 2 like choice 2. Now here, we can take somewhere here like this. Avuna kada? Mila mana form cheyacha leda? Now this is and followed by and this is the vertical straight line. Vastunda? Choice 2. Then where can you find here then? ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక స్క్వేర్ రావాలి. స్క్వేర్ రావాలంటే we need to find here. అంతే కదా? And again coming back to this one. Done? And so choice 2, question number 21. Then 22nd. And select the days that can be found by folding the given sheet. Now in this one, 1 and 2 are opposite. That means they cannot be adjacent. 3 and 4 are opposite. Cannot be adjacent. 5 and 6 are opposite. Cannot be adjacent. Now here, 2's opposite is 1 is not adjacent. 3's opposite is 4 is not adjacent. 6. Hence it can be formed. Then 1, 2 and 5. In this one, 1 and 2 are opposite. Cannot be adjacent. Here 1, 3 and 6. 1 and 2 opposite. And 3 and 4 opposite. 6 and 5 opposite. Hence it can be formed. Now in this one, 1 and 2, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are opposite, they are adjacent, this cannot be formed. Hence, what is your answer? 1 and 3. 1 and 3, what is the choice given here? Only A and C. My choice code is only A and C. My here choices were not taken. Okay? Manaki print out lo undi manaki. Only A and C, that is choice 1. The next one, 23rd. Now in this 23, now these elements. Now first from here to here. Here to here it is a mirror image. Mirror image to this one. Now this is the figure, darken, and this is the darken area. And again, now this one will be to the right hand side, and this one to the left hand side. And from here to here, water image. Isn't it? And so choice 3 or 4? Now 4. Choice 4 is the answer, 23. Then 24th one. Now from here to here. The entire figure is rotated by 90 degrees in the clockwise. And this element is shaded. Isn't it? Now this element is shaded. Again from here to here. Again rotated and one more line is added. Now these lines, one line is present twice. Now these two lines should be presented twice. Isn't it? Next again this figure must be rotated like this and one more dot should be added. Choice for his answer. 24. And finally 25 we need to find out the mirror image. A must be from the right hand side. This is ruled out, this is ruled out. A, D, H, W, A, O, R. A, D, H, W, A. A, D, H, W, A, R, I, O. Answer? Second option. Because I is not there here. Isn't it? Choice. 25 is choice 2. Clear? And next is pure maths. Sir, outlet.